Hey, welcome back to Worldwide Giant Growers, day 60 on the 2 pumpkins on 1 plant giant grow. I want to show you the beautiful sunflowers. If you remember on day 40, they were about this tall, 8 feet we were talking. They've shot up with Mark's mixes, loving it. Even though we're in a drought, having a very dry year, they're doing quite well. But hey, today I'd like to show you Tiny Bubbles. Tiny Bubbles 2 on 1 plant. I'm loving me some orange genetics, growing with Mark's Specialty. And I'd also like to mention Phil Gronwald just won the Indiana State Fair last week. He lost his big pumpkin, sorry Phil, but he still managed to win the fair, and he has a gold membership at worldwidegiantgrowers.com, having enough fertilizers to grow 4 plants with Mark's mixes. And he's been very successful the last 2 seasons. Phil's doing an awesome job. But here we go. Tiny Bubbles makes me happy on the vine. She's doing about 20 pounds a day. We're now at 1,300 pounds. And we also have her sister over here. Mike can scan over there if you can catch the side of that. We'll walk over there in a second. Sister's at 714 pounds estimated with an OTT over the top measurement, 314 inches. I believe this one's 384 inches, 1,302 pounds. So Tiny Bubbles make me happy all the time. Hey, and I want to do a little contest today. When the video's over, go to my YouTube channel, and the 10th WWG member, 2018 member, that posts a comment on the YouTube channel, not the Facebook page, will win a gallon of Mark's Specialty with kelp extract, humic, fulvics, and all that. You'll win a gallon of this shipped to you in the United States, free shipping. In Canada, you'll have to pay the shipping, or I'll split it with you. All right, and I want to mention Josiah Brandt. Have you guys seen Brandt's greenhouse? Josiah now has a pumpkin that's 7 feet long, 216-inch circumference. Probably my guesstimation on that pumpkin would be 1,950 pounds, maybe 2,000 pounds already on August 19th. Go Josiah, grow. His seeds from that pumpkin will be available for sale on worldwidegiantgrowers.com this fall. All right, so join us. He also is using Mark's Specialty. But hey, Mike, let's go over. I want to show him the other pumpkin. One of these pumpkins is going to go to the Michigan State Fair on August 28th. I haven't decided which one yet, because I did have a little disease set in. The pumpkin's growing slower than last year's. I'm not on a record pace. And I grew 2 pumpkins because I want to share my seeds with everybody. I have self-pollinated both these orange pumpkins so that I can share the seeds this winter with you guys, and we can grow them in 2019. If you look at these pumpkins, both of them are really wide, tall pumpkins. If you have a pumpkin line that is long and skinny, not real tall, this would be a great cross to get a little more height and a little more width to your pumpkin. Just a suggestion for you new growers. You want to use a daddy that brings in the daddy traits. And orange is the way to go. What I'd like to do in the future is I'd like to make the world a little more oranger, one garden at a time. So please join us at worldwidegiantgrowers.com. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Talk soon.